Hello guys! My name is Teacher Cassie and I am a teacher from Novakid. Shout out to my Novakid family for giving me this t-shirt. And sobrang grateful ako na naging part ako ng Novakid marketing team or the Novakid Heroes team. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how did I edit my intro video, the recent one, since many of you are requesting about that video, and sorry for the delays kasi nabusy sa work, nabusy sa pagtuturo. So now, here it is. Gagawin na natin siya. So first and foremost, gusto ko lang sabihin na hindi ako pro sa pag-edit ng video, and I saw a lot more teachers who have better introduction video than mine. I am grateful na nagustuhan niyo yung intro video. Hindi ko na ipapakita yung paano ko ginawa mula umpisa hanggang dulo kasi it took me hours paano siya gawin simula pag-shoot pa lang ng video. So, ang pinakita ko lang dito yung mga simple or basic na ginagamit ko pag nag-edit ako ng video, like cut, insert, paano mag-insert ng mga effects dito sa background, paano maglagay ng background music, and something like that. So, I hope na maintindihan nyo itong video na to kahit na kinompress ko lang siya sa saglit na oras. Pero, ito talaga yung kung paano ko siya ginawa kasi habang ginagawa ko siya, ini-screen record ko na siya kasi I know na pwede ko siyang malagay sa channel natin. So, let's go guys!
First, open the Filmora app. Once done, click New Project. On the lower right, click Change Project Aspect Ratio and set the frame rate into 60 FPS. Click here to get the clips that you want to include in your intro video. Hanapin nyo lang kung saang folder siya nakalagay. Select them, then open. Ang una natin gagawin ay pagsunod-sunodin yung mga clips na sinunod natin. From introducing yourself, methods and techniques that you use in teaching, and the ending. So, get the first scene, and kapag nag-ask siya ng ganito, just click the button, don't change. I'm just pressing the space bar para mag-play yung video or yung clip. And here, I've noticed na hindi sabay yung boses ko sa audio. I don't know why kasi nung tinry ko siya ulit, okay naman. So, instead of shooting again, in-adjust ko na lang yung audio. What I did here is pinaghiwalay ko yung audio and yung video. I used keyboard shortcut na Control plus Alt plus D. Then, madadetach na yung audio sa video. You can cut scenes na hindi mo gustong isama. Tapat mo lang yung red line kung hanggang saan yung gusto mong putulin. Then, right-click sa video and choose Split. Or, you can also use the keyboard shortcut key Control B. And then, delete that scene. Just press the delete key button in your keyboard. And that's what I'll do sa mga susunod na pagcut ng clip. Same thing goes for the rest of the scenes. Choose the scene where you want to start the next frame, cut the necessary ones, and delete. So, hindi ko na ipapakita sa inyo yon. I'll just fast forward this step para makapag-move na tayo to the next step. After arranging the scenes, I've decided to include some clips that I previously made for Novakid Heroes. I would like my introduction video to start with a song. I did the same process, get the video, choose the scene that I like to include, cut, delete, and I inserted it at the beginning before introducing myself. Please don't forget to save your work from time to time para if ever na mag-crash yung Filmora or whatever happens, you still have your raw file. Hindi ko na siya napakita dito sa video, pero just click Ctrl S, rename the file, and then save it. Next is I'll teach you kung paano mag-appear yung Novakid logo when you say, "Welcome to Novakid." Just go to your browser and search for Novakid logo, transparent or PNG. When you say transparent or PNG, ito yung wala ng white background. So you can just easily insert it in your video. Save it sa folder kung saan nakalagay yung mga videos mo para sama-sama na lang sila dun. Import the logo and place it sa time frame na gusto mo. You can also adjust its size through its corners. You can adjust how long you wanted it to appear on screen. You can do so by holding the last frame and move it from left to right, depending if you want to prolong or shorten its appearance on the screen. Para hindi plain yung pag-appear ng logo, we can add effects. Double-click the logo and click the Motion tab. You can choose different effects kung paano lalabas yung logo, but for me, I chose the boom effect. After choosing, just click the OK button, and here's what it looks like. From my latest intro video, you can see that there are parts na naka-fast forward, and here's how I did it. Pinili ko yung scene na gusto kong i-fast forward. Kinat ko siya from start to finish together with the audio, and I deleted the audio. Next is, click ko yung scene na kinat ko na gusto kong i-fast forward, and then I click the speed icon right here. You can adjust it by setting values of your own preference, where 1 is the normal speed and higher values means faster speed. As you see, I'm not satisfied with the speed yet, so I tried to adjust it a little bit more. And of course, don't forget to save your work from time to time. Nilagyan ko din siya ng scene where I am playing the guitar. I cut that scene, removed the audio, and I inserted it. The same process lang din doon sa scene kung saan nagbibigay ako ng rewards. I cut the video, removed the audio, and inserted it. If you've noticed, nilagay ko lang yung mga scenes sa taas ng main video. It's because mag-overlap naman siya. Ganito yung kalalabasan niya. And this is the last scene na i-insert ko. Before I forgot, you can also zoom in and zoom out the frame. What you're gonna do is click this ruler part, hold, and drag it like this. Next step is to add background music. Import the music from your files. Drag it below the audio and it will automatically make space for music. I adjusted the background music after the song part. Click it and lower down the volume. Please remember na dapat mas malakas at malinaw ang boses natin kaysa sa background music. After that, we can now add transitions, the final step. Click the Transition tab and choose from different transition styles. Drag and put it sa gitna ng dalawang frame. You can adjust it depende kung gaano kabilis yung transition na gusto mo. Mas manipis, mas mabilis sa transition. Tinuloy-tuloy ko lang yung process hanggang sa malagyan ko lahat ng transition yung gusto kong lagyan. It is not necessary na dapat may transition kapag nakat yung video. Sa akin, I just add transition if I'm gonna move from one idea to another. From here, I've noticed that it's better to fast forward the scene where I'm showing my props. So again, I click the speed icon and adjust the speed. And finally, that's it. I am done editing my video. Here's the final result. A little disclaimer, hindi po sabay yung audio sa video kasi naka-screen record lang ako. But in actual, they are synchronized.
Yellow! I see something yellow, yellow! I see something yellow, yellow, yellow. I see something yellow. Find something yellow. Great!
Hi, my name is Teacher Cassie, and welcome to Novakid. Nice to meet you. I am a certified English teacher, and I have acquired certificates in line with it, such as TESOL, TEFL, and TEYL. I've been teaching children for several years now, and I've been with Novakid for almost a year. I witnessed my students grow from beginners to advanced and from shy to active. To make my class engaging, I use props, flashcards, and regalias. When they do a great job, I give them visual and virtual rewards. I can't wait to have fun with you in class. See you! High five!
Kapag sure ka na and satisfied ka na sa editing, you can now render it para ma-convert na siya into video or that MP4 format. Click Export, click the folder icon, and choose kung saan mo siya ilalagay na location. Next, rename your video, click Settings, and check the word Best for the best quality. Click OK, and click Export. Yan! So, just wait na ma-render yung video mo, and we are done.
I hope may natutunan kayo kahit pa paano. Kung mapansin ninyo, iba-iba yung damit ko dun kasi those are compilations of different videos. So, first yung shoot ko last time for my new intro video. Second, from the videos that I have made for Novakid. And third, from my last intro video. So, sa lahat ng applicants ng Novakid, if you don't know how to edit your own video, it's okay. Kasi hindi naman requirement na dapat magaling kang mag-edit para matanggap ka sa application mo sa Novakid. And I saw a lot of teachers, especially native teachers, na walang edit yung mga intro video nila. And remember na sobrang edit ng video, hindi masyadong maganda pag tinitingnan. So, saktong edit lang dapat. Mga lumalabas-labas lang na effects, gano'n. And remember na dapat mas malakas yung boses natin kaysa sa background music. Good luck sa mga applicants of Novakid. If you want me to train you, I am willing to be part of your journey. And Novakid, I am not an ambassador sa lahat ng nagtatanong, but I can help you the same help that the ambassadors can give you. I can also follow up. I can also teach you how to edit your video. I can also guide you, give you reviewers, and so on and so forth. Mock demo, yes, I can do that. So thank you again, everyone, for watching this video. And if you have request videos na gusto nyo mapanood, questions about Novakid, just comment it down below or message me on my Facebook account. Thank you for watching this video, and if you find this video helpful in any way, please consider subscribing to this channel, like this video, share this to your friends or Novakid applicants, and click the notification bell to be notified when I post new videos. Thank you guys, and I hope to see you again next time. See ya!